Welcome to this tutorial on copy value disaggregation across planning levels. First, review the tutorial goal. The introduction slide explains that key figure data is stored at a base planning level and can be aggregated to the planning level shown in a planning view. In this example, you update a calendar event value at product ID level and then display the save value at product ID and customer ID level. Next, open the SAP IBP web application to review the key figure setup. Before working in Excel, the planning areas list is displayed in SAP Integrated Business Planning. The IIM planning area is highlighted. Open this planning area to review the model used in the example. After opening the planning area detail page is displayed. The Key Figures tab is highlighted because the disaggregation behavior is defined on the key figure. Click Key Figures to review the relevant settings. After opening the Key Figures tab, the key figure list is displayed and the search box is highlighted. Click the search box to find the key figure used in this example. After clicking the search box, enter a key figure ID, such as CALEVENT, and then click the search button to filter the list. After filtering the list, CALEVENT, named Calendar Event, is displayed. Click the key figure ID to open its detail page. After opening the key figure details, the characteristics section is displayed. The Disaggregation Mode field is highlighted and shows copy value. This means a value saved at an aggregated planning level can be copied to relevant lower-level planning combinations during disaggregation. Next, switch to Microsoft Excel. The planning view is displayed at product ID level. In this example, the calendar event key figure already contains some values for selected product and period combinations. The name box is highlighted so you can jump directly to the target cell. After entering Q9 in the name box and pressing enter, cell Q9 is selected. In this example, this cell is a calendar event value at product ID level. Next, use the formula bar to enter the new value. Now, the formula bar is highlighted for input. Enter a value, such as 30, for the selected product ID level calendar event cell. After entering the value, the formula bar shows 30 and the selected cell displays the pending value. Click the confirmation tick to accept the entry in the worksheet. After confirming the entry, the value 30 is visible in the target cell. Click Save Data in the SAP IBP ribbon to save the aggregated product ID level value back to SAP IBP. After saving the data, the worksheet remains at product ID level and the new value is retained. Click Edit View to update the planning view settings and review the disaggregated result at a more detailed planning level. After clicking Edit View, the Edit Planning View window opens. The Attributes button is highlighted in the side navigation. Click Attributes to adjust the attributes shown in the planning view. After opening Attributes, the All Attributes and Selected Attributes areas are displayed. Customer ID is highlighted in the available attributes, while Material is already selected. Select Customer ID so the view can include customer-level detail. After selecting Customer ID, both Material and Customer ID appear in the Selected Attributes area. Click OK to apply the setting to the worksheet. After confirming the settings, the worksheet refreshes with Product ID and Customer ID rows. In this example, the save value 30 for Product IBP 120 is copied to the relevant customer combinations for the selected period, showing copy value disaggregation across planning levels. In summary, copy value disaggregation across planning levels starts with a key figure configured with disaggregation mode set to copy value. Then the planning view saves a value at an aggregated product ID level and displays the disaggregated result after customer ID is added. In this workflow, a calendar event value is entered and saved at product ID level, and then the same value is displayed across the relevant product ID and customer ID combinations. The exact planning area, key figures, product IDs, customer IDs, periods, values, templates, fields, and settings may vary by system setup and planning configuration. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it insightful.